Creating the bumper. Create a poly cylinder, bring it to the front of the car, rotate it on Z 90 degrees, go to your side view and try to match it up with this shape right here. Scale that up slightly. Go into the front view. You can also scale it there. Once you're happy with the position, go ahead and delete the faces that you don't need, which are going to be the back faces. I'm also going to select all these side faces and hit delete, so that I only end up with this front part. Now we can add some thickness to it by selecting all these front faces and extruding them out. So go into thickness, and I'm going to have a value of 0.1. Now I'm going to go into the Edge Loop tool option box. Reset my tool. Select multiple edge loops. Set that to 4. Click and drag just like so. Reset that tool and X that out. I will now go to faces and select those faces and extrude them inwards by offsetting them for a very low value, 0.1. Extrude one more time. Center the extrusion and pull those out. We want to connect the bumper with the actual car frame. So I can push those down, extrude one more time, and yet extrude one more time. I will go in my vertices to fix up my geometry by using my scale tool. I can make these corners a little bit straighter. Select my face again, this one and this one, and extrude downwards. I'll go into my vertices to clean up my geometry. If I hit 3 to see my result, I would want to delete the bottom faces so that it looks better. I will also now start adding edge loops to my object so that the corners look sharper. I could now grab the front faces and extrude those inwards by using my offset. Extrude one more time and add a little bit of thickness for detail. I will now go into my shell, select my faces. I'll probably delete these bottom ones. Go over your geometry, make sure you don't have any other bottom faces that you may want to get rid of. Then select all faces, and we're going to extrude so that we can create some thickness to this shell. So I will probably go into my local translate Z 0.1. That should give me a nice border around. You never want your objects on your scene to be paper thin, as that geometry can later cause problems as you're trying to render them. Always make sure to add some thickness. Go into object mode, press number 3, and see your final results. Probably I'll add an edge loop right here in the corner just to add a little bit of that thickness. You can even select the faces all around and slightly scale those in.